Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the RCO finance token. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their own webpage. This is an initial coin offering. And some of these ICOs can be kind of sketchy that are on their own webpage. So we're going to look for an audit. We're going to check for any potential scam risks, things like that. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it and all that type of stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the RCO finance token. So they have a web page here at rcofinance.com. Over there, you can find blog articles, white paper, tokenomics, roadmap, token benefits, platform features, connect your wallet, log in. It says 30% bonus tokens, invest early with the code RCOF30. It says right now they are in the first stage of their pre-sale. It says ticker symbol for this token is RCOF. And they've already raised a lot of money here. Looks like they've raised $605,646.75. So it says they're almost at 50% sold here in phase one. They've sold 48.72%. And they do have a how to buy section, but basically you click on join pre-sale and it's going to take you over to a page that says connect your wallet. So, you know, just be aware before you do anything like that, there is an audit on here by Solid Proof that you could check out as well. And I would do that definitely before, you know, connecting your wallet and going through all this stuff here. Even then, still be aware that, you know, some of these ICOs can be pretty sketchy. So just be aware of that. So it says advanced AI powered DeFi trading platform, experienced advanced AI and machine learning powered investing like never before with our fully automated AI powered robo-advisor. Easily convert your crypto into ETFs, derivatives, and other real-world assets. So they have the RCO Finance AI trading platform. It says RCO Finance is the world's first AI-powered decentralized trading platform that hosts machine learning robo-advising, giving DeFi investors the market edge. Experience full autonomy, low fees, and 10,000s of stocks, bonds, commodities, FX, ETF derivatives, and real-world assets. RCO Finance is the world's first automated AI trading platform harnessing blockchain technology. So some of the features, RCO Finance's platform features include personalized robo-advising covering a whole range of requirements. You can trade crypto, stocks, ETFs, bonds, commodities, and FX on a seamless trading platform. Access to lucrative dividend and staking pools on our advanced AI-powered trading platform. No KYC requirements. Access high leverage options 1 to 1,000. DeFi debit card or fiat conversions. Industry-leading security integrations with Fireblocks. And it says will be fully EU and globally regulated and licensed upon launch. They have the comparison table where it talks about no KYC, EU regulated, high leverage, low spreads, instant execution, no slippage, and they compare themselves to Robinhood, Binance, Crypto.com, and Coinbase. It says trade digital assets with the power of AI. It's got a bunch of pictures like Bitcoin, USDT, Ether, Instagram, Google, Tesla, Amazon, Meta, etc. AI-powered trading platform, how your robo-advisor provides a tailored and fully automated experience. So it says AI-powered machine learning understands you and adapts to your circumstances in real time, making adjustments to your portfolio when necessary. Personalized investment strategies. AI robo-advisors analyze each user's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon to create tailored investment plans. This ensures that investment strategies are aligned with individual preferences and objectives. It's cost efficiency, so AI robo-advisors typically charge lower fees compared to traditional finance advisors, making professional investment management accessible to a broader audience. This cost savings can significantly enhance net returns over time. No needs for pros. There's no need for financial professionals like financial advisors, brokers, or fund managers. Invest in over 12,500 different asset classes worldwide. Diversify your portfolio globally with access to a vast range of asset classes, including derivatives and real-world assets. So the tokenomics, this token here is split up between public sale, ecosystem development, liquidity, market making, exchanges, private sale, ecosystem rewards, marketing, team, and advisors. And they have here the audit that you can check out here. By Solid Proof, there's a PDF available. For some reason, it's not loading on my computer, of course. I do not know why. Hopefully I can get that going, but definitely check that audit. So they've been featured in different news articles, Finbold, Bitcoinist, Cointelegraph. They have frequently asked questions like, how can I purchase? When will I receive my tokens? I'm assuming after the pre-sale is over, you'll be able to claim. Yeah, it says after the pre-sale ends, you'll be able to claim them in your wallets. Now they do have a gigantic 37-page, super long white paper. Yeah, for some reason, you can download the raw file, but for some reason it says error rendering embedded code invalid PDF when I try to open their Solid Proof audit. So I just downloaded it. Okay, it works now. So I had to download it just so you know. Maybe you'll have to do the same. But let's see, you can scroll down and see if there's any warnings. It takes a long time to scroll through these audits. So it says cannot update new functionalities. That's a good check mark. It says ownership is not renounced. So right away there is a big warning there. So just be aware of that. On their audit it says ownership is not renounced. I mean, I don't even have to go any further, but that's a big warning right there. I don't see any big ones popping up after that, but that's a big enough warning there to have some concern. Ownership is not renounced. Oh, and they also have a medium issue. They can set fees more than 25%. Oh, it says they fixed that, though. So they did fix that, so that's good. They fixed a medium issue. And then there is a low issue, local variable shadowing. And then there's another issue here, NAT spec documentation missing. So there's at least 3 warnings on their audit. A low-risk one, informational one, and then the big one, that contract is not even renounced. So just be aware of all those warnings before investing in this pre-sale. I'm not saying it is a scam. I'm just saying it has the potential risks to become a scam, and that's potentially. That's not, for sure, because you can't say it is a scam until it actually is a scam. So let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.